Hey everyone, my name is Brian and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at the Gorilla Offroad trailing arms for the 2005 Forester. Now these are super nice. Not only are these beautifully assembled, they're also powder coated in black, so they're not going to rust or corrode. They also offer full adjustment. They have full polyurethane bushings from Whiteline. These are going to be a huge upgrade over your factory trailing arms. They're not going to bend, they're not going to break, and they're going to definitely help with alignment because you can dial in your rear alignment perfectly, so you can recenter your rear tire in the wheel well. Now the cool part about these is that they were a super limited production run. The pre-order was only available for about a week on these. And so as soon as I saw these were available, I had to immediately jump on it because I had been looking at getting trailing arms, and these fit the bill perfectly. Now the build quality on these is outstanding. These welds are just perfect. And I believe they are done by hand. I don't think they are machine welded. So whoever welded this did an amazing job. They're beautifully made, and I think they will serve me well for many, many years to come. The quality of these welds is just simply outstanding. Now, I think they were made by hand. I don't think they were machine welded, which just makes them all that more cool. They also feature provisions in the factory locations, which will allow you to bolt up your speed sensor as well as your parking brake super easily in their factory location. They also allow for adjustment, so you can dial in your rear alignment. So that's just a quick overview of the Gorilla Offroad trailing arm for the 2005 Forester. Now I don't know if these will become available again, as they were a limited production run, but keep an eye out, they may become available again, not sure. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll be posting some content on Instagram and YouTube of me installing them, testing them out, see how they are, and thanks for watching.